Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out some of the items that I've found for this week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. I will have all of these items linked down in the description with their own independent link, so it's all easy to find. I'll also have two additional links that says tools and tools continued. Those are going to be links that take you to a long list of tools that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest. So lots of really cool items on there, and that's all there for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned. I like to release these videos every single Friday. So if you guys have any suggestions on brands or types of tools that you would like to see in the future, please let me know down in the comments. First up, we're looking at the Starwork True Mechanic ratchet. So I came across this ratchet maybe a little over a year ago. At that time, I want to say it didn't have good reviews, but there were only a couple. Now it's been out a little bit longer, and it seems to have a more positive review to it. Now this is a large ratchet, and not very many brands out there offer a design like this with this length. There are a lot of cheap design ratchets out there that you might be able to get bigger ratchets from, and then really the only other good ones of this design and length are going to be really expensive tool truck brands primarily. But if you're a weekend warrior DIYer or somebody just getting into the professional field that maybe doesn't want to spend that much money. Now, I don't know, I don't have personal experience with this one. There were a couple of my viewers that recommended this, that said they had positive experiences with them. So I figured I'd at least share it with you. This is the one that I originally saw at 27 and 3/8 inches long. This is 1/2 inch drive. It's a 90 tooth. It's not your generic cheap ratchet design. It's a non-quick release slim head design. It's got a locking flex head, and this head design reminds me of the Capri. I have the Capri ones of this length, or they're extra long locking flex heads with the comfort grip. Absolutely love those ratchets, and that's the only thing that would keep me from buying this one if I was in need, because the Capri pricing and warranty is definitely better than this. But I still wanted to share it with you guys. This does have kind of a big comfort grip, but still 90 tooth, slim design, 1/2 inch drive, really long. I think they got something really good here. A lot of positive reviews now. It does use the snap ring on the backing plate, but overall I think they have a good design, decent pricing, 4.4 stars, 68 ratings, but at $130, which honestly, comparing that to other ratchets of this size, it's priced really well compared to the other few options that there are. But they also just recently released their 33-inch locking flex head now. They also have the 27 that we're looking at. They have the 20-inch, and then they have other 3/8s as well. The 33-inch is at $170 with a coupon that brings it down to $161.49. So definitely a big boy ratchet there. So I just wanted to quickly mention this one, kind of share my thoughts on it. I think it's a good design ratchet, lots of good features, not many ratchets out there of this size and design, and much cheaper than the professional tool truck brand ones. Obviously, I don't think it's going to be quite there as far as quality, but I think for weekend warriors, DIYers, this is going to be a fantastic option. But one that I would recommend over this is the Capri. Now the Capri is going through a renovation of their comfort grips, but they still do have their non-comfort grip versions available of the locking flex heads, which here you're getting a long 1/4 inch drive, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive in a case. This one, the non-comfort grip, is 25 inches. I want to say my comfort grip set is at 27 3/4, somewhere around there for the 1/2 inch drive. So basically the same thing that we were looking at. And I believe my 1/4 inch drive is at 12.5 inches. So a little bit of length difference for the non-comfort grip to the comfort grip for the Capri set, but I still think this is a fantastic option as well. These are also a 90 tooth design with the locking flex head. You can see the button there, the same design that we saw on the Starwork. Capri has a great warranty, and this whole set is at $170, not on sale. The 1/2 inch drive is $80. The 1/4 inch drive is $40, and the 3/8 drive is at $67.60. So, I mean, they're priced really well. This one has 4.6 stars, 1,795 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Work Pro exhaust hanger removal tool. This is a set of pliers. I have a set of these, not from Work Pro, but If you're a weekend wearer DIYer that deals with exhaust hangers on a regular basis, or maybe just every once in a while, this can be handy. If you deal with an exhaust hanger a couple times in your life, yeah, no, this isn't going to be worth it. Just use a pair of vice grips or a screwdriver, a little bit of WD-40, no problem. But if you deal with them on a fairly regular basis, but you don't want to break the bank, I think this is a very good option, just because it's a very simple tool, very simple set of pliers that just allow you to get around the rubber hanger and push it out. Very simple. This is $12, down from a list price of $14. It has 4.8 stars, 109 ratings. Definitely a solid option for those that don't want to break the bank on a tool that they might not use all that often. If you're somebody that is going to use these on a regular basis and maybe wants something that's made in the USA. Now, I can definitely tell you this is from Lisle. Great set of pliers. Not the fanciest things in the world. They are USA made. Still a very, very basic, simplistic tool. So it's not anything fancy. It's not bad quality. It's just nothing that you're going to look at and be like, wow, this is amazing. It's USA made. If you want to support USA made companies, it's at $28.73, not on sale. But this is kind of for those that want to buy USA made, or those that are going to be doing it a little bit more often than a weekend wearer DIYer that may only use the tool a couple times. I think this is a fair price. This is the set that I own. Had it for a couple years. I've used it a handful of times. Now I'm just letting my buddy use it at the shop now, just make life a little bit easier for him. This has 4.8 stars, 6,822 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Gearwrench 20-piece screwdriver set. I've mentioned this a few times in the past, that this is the exact set that I have from Gearwrench. I just have the older version of it with the old handle design. Same exact screwdriver set, same quality, same everything. Just the handles are updated. They're a little bit more of a tri-lobe. All around, it's a great screwdriver set, under $100 for what you're getting. You're getting plenty of slotted and Phillips. You're getting a couple of Torx. You're getting precision screwdrivers, and you're getting stubbies. Just a well-rounded set. I have probably 20 different brands of screwdrivers, some USA made, some Japan, lots of different screwdriver sets that are probably, higher quality than this, but this is the set that I've had the longest, and it's just what I gravitate towards because they've been in the same spot in my toolbox for many, many years. They do come in this tray. I haven't moved mine in the 10 years that it's been in my box. It's holding up just fine. If you're somebody that moves your stuff around a lot, this tray might not hold up, but overall, really impressive screwdriver set for the price that you're paying. 4 slotted with the hex bolster and 2 Phillips, I believe, with the hex bolster. And the spinning caps on the precision screwdrivers are really nice. They're on a little bearing that they spin really well. So I've been really impressed with the set. This is just the updated version at $67.98, down from a typical price of $81.06. So some good savings on this. 4.7 stars, 610 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Titan socket adapter set. This is one that I've had for years and absolutely love it. I use this in my impact driver on a weekly basis and absolutely love this. Now, I bought the one from Clutch many years ago. That's what this is. Exact same thing. I don't even think Clutch sells them anymore, or they're really hard to find from Clutch now, from Northern Tool. But this is the exact same set, and I don't know of anybody else that sells it. This is not on sale, just under $19. So it is a locking socket adapter. So you throw this in your impact, you take it, you can throw your socket on, it won't come off. And then in order to remove it, you pull the whole sleeve back. It's spring loaded, take the socket off, and it snaps back into the locking position. You get 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. I use them all the time. Absolutely love it. Much better than just the standard socket adapters. This is my go-to when I'm using my impact driver. And I think under $20 for this set is fantastic. It has 4.1 stars, 106 ratings. Next up is one that I wanted to mention, one of the socket organizers that I absolutely love. If you guys follow the channel, you guys know I run the Ernst Socket Boss. That's a little bit more affordable option, more customizable, easier to take a rail and go, or take a whole set and go. But if you're somebody that's looking for a really nice, just fixed location socket organizer, the Westling has been my favorite for years, and I finally just picked them up a couple years ago. Really been enjoying them. They're not cheap. I spent forever kind of talking myself into them. When I got a deal on them, I went ahead and got them. And then I found out Capri Tools, like we were looking at earlier, now offers some of their socket sets with the purple option, which I didn't even know. I think that's a new color for Westling. Westling has blue and black and red and blue, lots of different color options, as you can just see down here. And I want to say the purple is a newer color. I'm a big fan. So they're aluminum organizers. They're not magnetic. Posts that the sockets sit on, I haven't had any issues with the socket organizers moving or sockets coming off. Now, this isn't going to be for those in a mobile vehicle or anything like that. The Ernst Socket Boss is going to be a better option for that. But if you're just looking at organizing your sockets, and honestly, these are by far one of the best looking socket organizers out there. You can get 2 rows, 3 rows, and you can even get specialty ones for like your universal sockets and things like that. Just a lot of really solid options and color options. And I just wanted to mention it. They are made in the USA. This specific one is at $286. It does have 5 stars, 9 ratings. And then they have 2-row options, like I stated earlier, at $236. Next up, we're looking at one that I just came across the other day and figured it was worth a mention. This is a 20-piece half-inch drive lug nut socket set. It is color-coded. They have the plastic sleeves or the non-marring sleeve on them to prevent damage. They are 6-point, and it does include lug nut extractors as well, and a flip socket set. So it's kind of a variety. I have a flip socket set. I have non-marring lug nut sockets. I have extractor sockets. This is kind of a combination of all of them. This is kind of a lug nut go-to set. Like, I really like what they did here. I think the gloves are a little silly, but everything else here, I think it's a really nice set. You got 3 sockets here with a built-in extension on it. Then you got your just standard non-marring ones. You got your flip sockets, and then you got your extractors, extension, and a knockout rod for when you're using those extractors sockets. So there you can see the design of the extractor ones and everything included. 15, 17, 21, 7/8, 22, 23, 24, 17, 19, and 21 on the extensions. As far as the flip sockets, you do have half sizes, which I thought was really cool. You got 18.5. So if you work in the Rust Belt or anything like that, you get the cheap lug nuts that expand or swell. Sockets like these are fantastic. You got 20.5, 21.5, 17.5, and 22.5. And then you got your extractors over here, 17, 19, 21, and 22. They're just basically just showing you, I don't know why it's showing width being 3 inches for the extension. Overall, I thought it was a really cool set. Everything included, very good variety of sizes and functional sockets. So this is a list price of $100. It's down to $95, but it has a coupon that takes another $5 off. So it is at $90. This has 4.8 stars, 7 ratings. I think it's a newer product. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. I thought it was a pretty well put together set. Last up is the OEM Tools Pilot Bearing Puller. This is an attachment for a slide hammer. This is a 2-jaw bearing puller. You can use it for other things as well. It fits 5/8 by 18 and 3/4 by 16 threads for different slide hammers. So if you look in the end of here, you can actually see the 2 different size threads for different slide hammers. This is just one type of bearing removal tool. There are many other designs out there. This is one that has saved my butt a couple times, and I really enjoy it. Just depends on your situation. It does have a little, why'd you do that? Rubber O-ring basically around the jaw to keep them kind of from clattering, and then as you spread them, there's tension on them. And basically, the more you screw that in, the more it's going to spread the jaws and then clamp against the bearing or whatever you're trying to remove. Get a good bite behind it and then pull it out. They work really well, but once again, that all just depends on your situation that you find yourself in. It's not going to be perfect for every scenario, depending on room and access and what exactly you're working on, but it can be a fantastic tool. This one specifically from OEM Tools is $17, 4.6 stars, 1,810 ratings, so rated very highly and rated a lot. There are other brands out there with very similar pullers, but this one's priced well, even not on sale. So I figured I'd at least share it with you guys, but please let me know your guys' thoughts of the items that we went over this week. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. All of them will be linked down below for you guys. And as always, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. See you guys next time.